Hello and welcome to 4303 Culpeper Drive in Columbia, Missouri. I'm Hayes Murray with Remax Boone Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to this lovely house located out in Springdale Estates, again in Columbia. We're priced on the market right now at $162,900. The property, as you can see, located in a very nice residential subdivision with a huge full backyard to it. Property was built in 2002. It's actually 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. And we're, of course, stepping now into the main area of the home, kind of checking out the interior. We've got laminate hardwood floors, of course, really open floor plan. The kitchen, wide open, spacious, easy to maneuver through. Got the laundry room, obviously, just off the kitchen. Views of the backyard. Comes with most appliances in the house. Access over there you see to the 2-car garage, and stepping out into the backyard area again we can see just the size of this yard is enormous. The lot size is a 90 by 120, but when it's fully fenced like that, it's, if you have kids or pets or whatever, just want to have the space to roam, you've definitely got it. So coming back through the living room, we're passing one of the bedrooms here, spare bedrooms, coming on into one of the front bedrooms. Nice and cozy. Looking into the bathroom area, this is the main bathroom for the house. Tiled shower, of course, tile floor. Looking very nice there as well. And then we move on, of course, to the master bedroom, featuring, of course, hers closets there, if you will. Beyond that, some other good things or details to know about this property here is the schools, of course, are Blue Ridge for the elementary, Lang for the middle school, and Battle for the high school. And if you'd like to get a personal tour of this house, just give me a call, 573-289-3773, and I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day wherever you are, and thank you for watching.